Good morning. Hi, are you trying to climb the bumpers here? What are you trying to do? Huh? Are you trying to come over here now?
Life is Eddie, man. Y'all don't get it, do ya? Making vlogs, making everybody wanna view them. Hit record, watch me, my wife, and my kid. Might break it down, yeah, you know what it is. Out in Florida working hard, ain't much to do. Posting daily videos made just for you. Subscribe to it if you really like what we do. But if you don't, hit the next page on it. Oh, what the deal, what the deal, what the deal. Leave a comment if you like it, you can tell us how you feel. I mean, maybe you won't, then again, maybe you will. I can almost guarantee you know the deal. Life is Eddie, what's up? Life is Eddie, what's up?
Look at him. He's trying to climb the bumpers. You a little rascal. You're a little rascal too. Good morning. Good morning. I got so many errands to run today because Maya's birthday party is on Saturday. Oh my goodness. How old are you going to be? How old are you going to be? 4. No, I thought you were going to be 3.
4.
4? How many fingers is that?
I don't tell you.
Wow. 4. And look at this one. What are you doing with your feet out and everything? You're so silly. Look at this. This is too funny. What are you doing? Anyways, yeah, we have a lot of things to do. And Eddie, Big Eddie, is like super busy with work. It's like we come back from playlist and they like, boom. Here's a whole bunch of stuff that you gotta do. He can't even go to jiu-jitsu tonight, guys, because he has to work. Bummer. Eddie. Eddie, be careful. Look at this. Ah. Hey. What are you doing? What are you doing, Eddie? Be careful. Pull yourself up, Eddie. Maya, give him a chance. Give him a chance. He's trying to pull himself up. Watch your fingers. Watch his... Alright. Yeah, that's not going to work. Ow! My fingers.
Sorry.
Are you singing into the mic? Say, ah. Da, la, 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 la. Maya, I know you can sing, right?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up high, world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Brava. Good girl. That was good, baby. My son wants me so bad. He always follows me into the bathroom. Kid, hey you. Stop where you're going. Hello. You don't want to listen to me. Mister. Ah. Can you get up? That's what you want to do, huh? You want to look at yourself in the mirror. Yeah.
Come out.
Ada.
Eddie, come out.
Ada. He's looking at himself in the mirror right
Eddie.
now. Make funny faces. Make funny faces. I'm gonna get through to see my mom. Maya! Easy. Maya! Man, this kid has been biting me with these teeth. These big teeth. These teeth in here, you've been biting me? I can't do anything about that, but these nails. Check out these nails, guys. They're mad long. I'm gonna cut your nails right now. Chop, chop. Cut your nails? Yeah? You see that? Alright.
Eddie, what are you doing?
Mommy's cutting her nails.
I'll tell you, Mom. I'll tell you, Mom.
Whoa, that was really close. Toys R Us, baby. So she's here picking out all these different toys that she wants, and I'm gonna send pictures to the family and friends and see if she gets them.
I like it away.
You like little Ariel right there? Okay.
You take
gotta-
a picture?
Yes, I will take a picture. I got both of them like this because she wanted to be in the stroller. I don't know what's going on with her. She wants to be in the stroller with him now. Kids. I am pooped, guys. Lugging all this stuff in. You know, I went to 2 different stores and I still had to go to another one, but the babies were screaming because little Eddie poops. And then Maya needed to poop. So I was rushing home and I couldn't go to the last store. But that's good anyway because I hardly have any room in my vehicle for any more stuff. But I was wondering if I should show you guys what I got her for her birthday. Preview really quick. Ta-da! That's it. You can't see it. Because I don't want to ruin the surprise. You'll get to see it, you know, on her birthday. And yeah, she was picking out toys and everything like that. But I picked up the ones on the DL that I was going to get her that she liked. So she doesn't know that. Yes. So I gotta go hide this thing. Where should I hide it? Eddie! Where's your sock, Eddie? You walking around with Dio? Oh, she always be on top of him.
Well, he's like ready to
Yeah, he is. He takes off on the floor.
Let me see him take off on the floor.
You can put him on the floor. We just have to wash his hands afterwards because I need to wash the floor.
Put him down?
You can. He'll start crawling. Maya jumping everywhere. He's like, I don't want to sit.
Take the sock off. Get the sock off. Oh my God, Eddie, I feel sorry for you guys.
He doesn't want to sit
He's
down.
gonna be playing football,
He wants to walk.
MMA. He's gonna be doing something.
Where are you going? Where are you going? I tried to get him to walk to me the other day. He took like 1 step, but then he started falling. He tries. He really does.
Maya walked on my birthday.
Yep. Come on, Eddie. Walk.
Here, just grab one of my hands. If you could walk with just one hand, you're in a good spot. All right? It's not possible yet. You don't have that balance.
No, obviously not.
Like here, somebody plays the bad Mickey was to do this. You tantrum. You.
Okay, so you just made this castle here?
No, silly.
No? Okay.
Not a tassel.
What is it?
It's a tassel.
This is the movie you got?
Yeah.
Minirella?
Yeah.
Is she supposed to be like Cinderella?
Yeah.
Cool. Wow, what a beautiful castle. She's playing. You okay? You tired? You are, aren't you? My mother-in-law and my husband are trying to convince me to cut Eddie's hair when he turns 1. I don't want to cut his hair yet. I don't want to. He has such cute hair. Look at it. And it's not in his eyes or anything. It doesn't bother him. Like, you don't want him looking like a girl, Eddie said. He doesn't look like a girl. He got cool hair. You want an afro? What? You want hair like mommy? Mommy's hair is huge. You have such cute hair. Stop pulling my camera, kid. Stop pulling my camera, kid. Stop it, stop it, stop it. Stop it, stop it, stop it. Look at those teeth. Say cheese. So I'm over here trying to finish the kids' Maya's centerpieces over here. So I'm trying to do this, like have these and glue them onto here so that it says Super Maya and her birthday and everything. Check out this. This is really cool. Something my mother-in-law made. Isn't that cool? Right. And then it spins. I got both kids over here watching Mickey Mouse while I'm keeping busy over here. I got a lot of stuff to do because her birthday's on Saturday. Oh my goodness. Wow, that is so cool, Dad. Are you painting or Maya's doing it?
Me and Maya both did it, right, Maya?
How cool is that? It looks so cool. She's having fun with us. Go ahead, Mama, paint. Finish
You want to do
painting.
another one now? I think this one's done. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah. What are you doing? You got hot glue over Maya's tablet and over laptop.
It's okay. It's alright.
Anyway, guys, it's like 10. Yeah, it's 10 o'clock, and I just got done working. Eddie's mad.
On one side says Super Maya, on the other side says that.
Zap. What about pow?
Well, I have those too. I just have to make them.
But yeah, guys, I just got done working. Been a long, stressful day at work, and yeah, what can you do? But I come out here. There was a couple things I wanted to share with you guys, though, and some of you have already seen that you were put in like the top YouTube fans circle on Google Plus.
Maya, stop it.
Anyway, like I was saying, what we're gonna start doing is shouting out like our top fans.
He
So
sees you and then he starts crying. As soon as he sees you.
as soon as they see me, I can't even finish this sentence. Anyway, so we're gonna start shouting out our top fans. Look for that in the next couple videos. We'll probably do that every video we'll put out. I'm gonna just look on YouTube, see what our top fans are. So like our most engaged people, and yeah, we'll do it. So I'm actually gonna do it right now, just to take a look. All right, so these are all our top fans. You might see your name on this list. Put it a little closer, but I'm gonna sort by engagements, our most engaged fans. So we're gonna do a top 10. Give you guys some shout outs. We got Ronnie Marshall, you see that? Sweet Pink 71, Cindy Kwan, Me Living Life, Living for Christ 90. Oh man, I'm gonna mess this name up. Maisie Martinez, please correct me if I was wrong. 20 Unbelievable 06. Oh man, I lost count. Where are we at? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So number 8 is Mag 827. Number 9 is Victoria Barnes, and number 10 is Mary Kelly 97. And we'll just give a special shout out to Forever Mom's Girl. She was close. You're almost in the top 10. You were close, very close. But yeah, so shout out to all you guys I just listed. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for, you know, staying engaged, watching the videos, commenting. We love commenting back to you guys. And yeah, who knows? We'll probably start throwing some special stuff in there for our top, you know, our top cousins. We'll put it that way. I don't like saying fans. I'm gonna say cousins. Our top cousins. So, you know, maybe that'd be like Skype calls or like Google Hangout, whatever. You know, all kind of different stuff. We're gonna look into it. So yeah, guys, we love you, and I don't know. Are you gonna say goodnight, Jen?
Oh, we're gonna call it a night. All right. Good night.
Good night.
Why do we do that?
What about Maya and Eddie? She's chilling with Eddie over here. Maya, say goodnight to the cousins.
Good night, you silly.
You wanna vlog real quick?
Yes.
Okay, first Eddie has to say goodnight. Yeah. Alright, Maya's gonna vlog real quick, and then it'll be goodnight.
Oh, hi guys. You are just see. I'm watching it. And I watched Prince and Minnie Cinderella Ball.
Maya, point the camera to us, somebody. Yeah, Eddie was crying.
Oh, okay. So Eddie was trying.
Oh, take my shirt. Maya, when you point it, you gotta point it to yourself. Like this.
Okay.
Here, grab it. Point it to yourself. There you go, like that. Alright, guys, we love you. And, yeah, good night. Take it easy. Peace. Say peace, Maya. Say peace.
Good night.
Say peace. Yeah, Eddie's trying to get to it. Say peace, Eddie. Say peace.
What's up, cousins?
you guys need to congratulate yourselves. You just made it through a very long vlog. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I got a quick question for you guys. I want to know what you guys think about the top 10 cousins thing. You know, shouting you guys out. Let me know what you think. Put in the comments below what you think about that. And yeah, there might be some special perks, like I said, for our top 10 cousins. But anyway, I will talk to you guys later. Take it easy. Peace.